Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a special video on Veracity. We are looking at both VRA USDT and VRA BTC chart. So before we begin this video, I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. If you haven't subscribed to the channel till now, guys, please subscribe and like the video. So let us see VRA chart. We will look at both VRA USDT as well as VRA BTC chart. So first let us look at VRA USDT chart. As we all know that VRA, like all other crypto assets, has been in a complete downtrend because of the overall market. The current support that VRA is getting is from this price point. It did not come this low, but it's getting support from here. We are looking at a VRA USDT daily chart. If you can see, there is a small support over here between the price of 0.009 to 0.006. Can you see this over here? I'll zoom in. We can see VRA had a very amazing breakout and a great impulse wave where it had a very small support over here of just 3 days. There are 3 daily candles in which there is one red candle. Can you see this? So this support is from 0.009 to 0.005, and that's where currently VRA is getting bounce from. If you see over here, we are getting this bounce exactly from this support. Let me just take this. Can you see this? We are getting bounce from here, but this support is actually over here at 0.005. So this is a very important support. If at all we break this support, then the next support is at 0.003, and it is a very big support then over here. So then this is an entire range between 0.001 to 0.03. So ideally we would not like VRA to break 0.005, but if broken, then the next consolidation is over here between 0.003 and 0.001. So as of today, on the VRA daily chart, for VRA to flip fully bullish, it needs to be above $0.015. So that is 1.5 cents. It needs to be about this for this downtrend to be broken and reversed. If you can see here, then this is the price that is getting rejected. Just look at this, $0.015. It is getting rejected, and that is leading to a downfall. For us to be fully bullish, flip bullish on the daily time frame as of today, VRA needs to flip 0.15 into support. What we need to see is VRA BTC chart, because this entire correction in the market is mainly due to the Bitcoin correction. You can see this. If we look at the USDT chart, then the correction from its all-time high till now is almost 87% on the USDT chart. Let us compare it with the Bitcoin chart, VRA BTC pair. It's 72% in the Bitcoin pair. So as you can see in the dollar pair, it is more because of the Bitcoin price itself coming down with respect to dollar. The VRA price has also fallen down severely, more than what it could have. And so they're looking at the Bitcoin pair again. This is very important. On the Bitcoin pair also, it's on a clear downtrend. And on the daily chart, if we want VRA to flip bullish on the daily chart, it needs to flip this into bullish. That is around 4581 Satoshis. on the Bitcoin pair. It is currently getting a good support because this was the previous support. You can see over here. If we zoom in, this is a VRA BTC daily chart. You can see this is a very good support over here. So VRA stayed in this range for almost 2 to 3 weeks. So that support is currently holding right now for the VRA BTC chart. If at all we break this support, then the next support would be over here. You can see over here, then this is a major support, and this support will most likely hold if we have another leg down on the BTC pair, which is at around 767 satoshis. So on the daily, it is definitely bullish, but this is a time, sorry, on the daily, it's definitely bearish, but this is a time for people to accumulate. Every strong asset needs to be accumulated when you get at such big discount. If you calculate from the top to bottom, then on the BTC pair, VRA is 72% down. And according to me, in the next leg up on the BTC pair, VRA can go as high as 12,477 satoshis. So if you look at the Bitcoin pair, the price potential for VRA from here right now is at around 370% growth on the Bitcoin pair. So your one Bitcoin invested in VRA can end up being 4 Bitcoins. So if you're looking to multiply your Bitcoins, then again, this is a very good opportunity. So the lower we go, I think this is a stronger region to accumulate, because over here, if you see on the Bitcoin pair, this is a big support, like it's a year long support in this region. So if at all we break this support right now, and if we have another leg down, then this would be the best you can buy. It is as good as buying VRA when it was at 1.6 or $2 million, because on the Bitcoin pair, if you see, you will fall in the same range. So you might have a higher dollar price, but if you compare it with the Bitcoin chart, then you would be buying the best bottom you can in VRA. But it all depends if we go further down. But if you are looking to accumulate more VRA, I think this is a golden opportunity for you, because we are 72% down from its all-time high. Even if we go further down, then it would be next 10-20%. That's it. Then we are bound to reverse, because this support is a strong support. You can't go further down. So this is a golden opportunity for anybody who's looking to buy VRA. Again, sorry, this is not a financial advice. You guys can do your own research, but I am just telling you what I can see clearly on this chart. So the way we went from year to year, it was an impulse wave. VRA is one of the best performers of 2021. So the way we went from year to year, this next wave is bound to happen. Whether it happens today, tomorrow, or next year, I don't know. But the point is, for you to enjoy this benefit of impulse wave, you need to buy when the asset is in consolidation. So that is what is happening right now. VRA is in a strong consolidation, and the major price fall in the USDT pair is also because of the price fall of Bitcoin itself. So a lot of assets, including VRA, is providing Bitcoin provides liquidity to a lot of assets. So people don't just trade with dollars, they also trade with Bitcoin. So when the Bitcoin price itself falls, the overall value does fall in the dollar. So this, in my opinion, is a golden opportunity, because I see in the next leg up, VRA can go at least 300 to 400% on the Bitcoin pair, which will be huge. So if we look at the USDT pair, then I think it can go at least 800 to 1000% up on the USDT pair in its next leg up. So that's it, guys. This was a crisp but detailed video on VRA. I hope you guys like this video. Guys, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want me to make more videos on Veracity, do comment down below. Thank you very much for watching this video and giving me your time. Take care. Bye bye.